Hello and welcome to Make It Vegan. In this edition, we will be preparing a vegan pasta dinner. So it's penne in a white sauce with mushrooms and vegetables. And this would be a hearty, filling vegan dinner that you can make for friends or yourself at any time. You will be needing the following ingredients: 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, a quarter green or yellow bell pepper chopped. You can see I combined mine half-half. 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 medium-sized carrot chopped finely. I used a food processor to mince the carrot. 1 medium-sized tomato chopped. 2 cups or approximately 250 grams of white button mushrooms sliced. 250 milliliters or 1 cup of vegetable broth or stock. Half a teaspoon of dried or a sprig of fresh rosemary. Salt and black pepper to season, and 1 tablespoon of brown onion soup powder dissolved in a quarter cup of soy milk or water. It's optional. For the white sauce, you'll need the following ingredients: 4 tablespoons vegan butter, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon white pepper, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, a quarter teaspoon cayenne or cayenne pepper, a teaspoon dried or fresh thyme, 750 milliliters plant-based milk such as soy milk, 1 tablespoon tapioca starch dissolved in a quarter cup plant-based milk, 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast, which is optional should you wish for a cheesy texture and taste. For the pasta, you'll need approximately 400 grams or 4 cups of penne pasta, the vegan variety, and you'll need to boil this between 12 and 15 minutes until done but still firm. Drain in a colander or strainer and sprinkle with a small dash of olive oil and toss to cover. Let's start with the vegetables. Over a medium heat, saute the onions in the olive oil and add the garlic once it starts to become translucent. Saute for a few minutes and add the bell pepper and saute for approximately 4 minutes. Now add the rosemary and chopped carrot and saute for an additional 5 to 6 minutes. Add the tomato and seasoning and saute until it becomes soft. Add the button mushrooms and saute until they're done. They will lose their spongy texture and become slightly shiny. Add the stock and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes on a low heat, stirring occasionally. Add the brown onion soup mixture and bring back to simmer. Once it starts to simmer, remove from the stove and set aside. Now let's prepare the white sauce. Melt the vegan butter on a low heat in a pan. Add the flour, and use a whisk to combine the flour and butter and beat it into a creamy paste. Add milk little by little and keep whisking until it's smooth and thickening. At any stage, preferably halfway through, add the salt, white, black and cayenne pepper and thyme. Add more milk and continue to whisk until you end up with a smooth, semi-thick sauce. Add the nutritional yeast and combine. Now let us combine the vegetables and the white sauce. Combine the vegetables you set aside to the white sauce and use a spoon as to not to break your whisk and combine thoroughly. Add the tapioca starch mixture and simmer on low heat until the combined sauce has thickened. Add the penne to the white sauce and combine carefully but thoroughly. Dish up in pasta bowls and serve with a green salad.